Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone getting hot after iOS 17 update quickly. An iPhone should not get hot under normal use. If it gets so, then you have a problem. An iPhone feeling slightly warm after playing a game for 15 minutes or so is completely normal. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. Our step number 1 is lower the screen brightness. Having your iPhone brightness at maximum can cause iOS 17 overheating issue. Simply launch the control center on your iPhone and use the sliders to lower the screen brightness. Then our step number 2 is turn off Bluetooth and other services, location services. For doing this, simply you have to simply launch the control center and turn off Bluetooth if it's turned on, and then go to your settings. Then scroll down. Go up. Tap on privacy and security, and tap on location services. If it's turned on, then simply turn it off. Then our step number 3 is turn off background app refresh. Apple background app refresh feature lets apps that you aren't actively using and haven't yet closed out check for update and new content. This background activity could be the cause of iOS 17 overheating issue. For disabling it, simply you have to go to your general, then tap on background app refresh. Again tap on background app refresh, and if it's turned on, then simply turn it off. Then our step number three is keep your iPhone away from hot environment. The warmer the temperature, the less your iPhone can withstand the sun. Get your iPhone out of the direct light, whether it's in your pocket, inside a backpack, or under a towel, blanket, or dashboard. Any place that will keep it away from sunlight will work. Then our step number 3 is shut down all unnecessary running apps. Having a multiple process running simultaneously make your iPhone work harder and feel hot. Simply shut down all unnecessary running app on your iPhone to solve the iPhone overheating issue on iOS 17 update issue. For doing this, simply you have to scroll here and close the app which are unnecessary using your background. Then our last step is restart your iPhone. If your iPhone is running hot after iOS 17 update, perform a force restart. For doing this, simply you have to go to your settings, then scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down, tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.